It's the kind of beat to go.
You know the bar's open over here.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Sometimes I like sneaking up on Bozoon. Boo.
I need your love.
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
This is how I kiss doggies.
What?
Abby wants you to pick grapes to make.
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
Hey, Fluffy. I'm gonna eat all your treats.
Hey, you guys hungry?
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?
Stick him up. Bang!
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Don't drop that da-da-da. Hey, don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da.
Ever told you how beautiful you are?
You're gonna get neutered.
What? How are you doing this?
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys? Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Look back at it. Ass so big, I told her look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it.
Round and around and around and around we go.
Yeah. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass. Don't drop that da-da-da. Hey, don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da.
Stevie. What did you do?
Trooper, if you don't listen to me and go outside, I'm gonna get your leash.
Okay. You are impossible!
Take it.
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out. Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We going to infinity and beyond.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
So I gave this frog a blueberry, and now he won't let go of it. He loves it.
Come on, Trooper, let's go outside. Or stay there and pee in the house. You're bigger than me.
Do you like high fives? Because we do.
Speak.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for... I believe I can fly.
That means it's time to go to the vet.
Something tells me that he wants in.
She's really mad. Ow. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Alright, I'm ready to go. Alright, man, you ready to go? Oh, this is awkward. Go change. We can't wear the same.
Stop! What the fuck are you doing? Kitty's gonna love it when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty?
So I heard a lot of noise upstairs, and this is what I found.
You've got to be kidding me.
It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah! Hey, I got your again?